How to change speed in Vimeo video. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to change your Vimeo speed here at the video speed of Vimeo right here. All you need to do is choose a video right here. For right now, as you can see, my feed here is empty because as you can see, but it doesn't have to be follow creators, categories, and files to fill with amazing video each and every day. So I need to follow somebody. So my feed will be there'll be feeds right there, or maybe you can watch some videos. Because sometimes when you watch some video right here, choose a video, and then this it will automatically add some feeds that we watch, like I guess you might like this or suggestions for us. Well, anyways, yeah, there you go. So all we need to do right now is open up choose a video. So we're gonna go right here, stuff, pick lenses right there. For example, right here, we can choose alarm. Press on the video right there. We're gonna pause it first. There you go. As you can see right now, we pause it right here. There you go. Now just click on the top right corner, the three dots on top right corner. After pressing on that, change the speed. There you go. As you can see right there, speed. So here we have choices. We can make it 2 times right there, or we can make it as low as 0.5 right there. So there's nothing lower than 0.5. There's no like 0.225. There's nothing like that. And here is the maximum is 2 times the speed right there. There you go, guys, as you see there. So yeah, that's how you change your speed here in Vimeo, or video here on Vimeo. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. There you guys, and thank you, guys.